Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Minecraft Launcher is currently not available in your account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings. On search, you just need to write settings, Windows Update, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so and then restart your computer. Next step, open up Text Manager and completely close Minecraft Launcher if it's working for you right now. So on search, you just need to write Minecraft Launcher, right click on it and task, right? And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to open up Microsoft Store. Then you need to look for your account here on the top right, click on it, sign out and sign back again to your account, and then look if it's working for you or not. And this should fix your problem, but if it's not, we can proceed with other steps. Then go to settings, then go to date and time and language, date and time. Make sure that the right time is set up for you, and also set time automatically and set time zone automatically is enabled as well. If it's enabled, just turn off and turn back in, and then press sync now, right? Then again, go to time and language and make sure to go language and region and look that the right language should be selected right here. Next step, go to search, and then you just need to write installed apps. Then you need to look for on search for Minecraft Launcher. Minecraft Launcher, press on the three dots, advanced options, then press terminate, repair, and then press reset, right? And after that, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go on installed apps, then look for Minecraft Launcher, press on the dots and press uninstall, then go on run here, just on search write run, and then write %appdata%, and then you should find .minecraft folder, and then you need to delete this folder. And before you do so, make sure to back up this folder, or simply go to saves and then save your worlds somewhere safe, and then just delete everything from here, and then just on saves put your worlds again here. And when you're done, then you need to go to Microsoft Store and look for Minecraft Launcher. So depending on where you got it, on Microsoft Store, you can download it from here, or you can go to Xbox Game Pass and download it from Xbox app as well, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.